Hello everyone, my name is Sunil Kumar and today I'm going to show you my project that I style by only using CSS and the project I made by using only HTML, and in phase 2 I am only styling it. So let's move to the video. So this is my profile page. This is how I styled my page. It's looking nice, and let's move to the code, and I'm going to explain you the whole code. So here you can see I use a I took the body, and that was the element selector, and select the body. And whenever we select the body and give any property, it's applied to the whole page. It's mean font family, background color, margin, padding, and line height. It's applied to the whole page. And what after the next, uh, I took a class selector that was we apply by a, what is this called, a dot. We select how we select it, and the max width is 900 pixel, margin auto, background color white like this, and padding 30 pixel, border radius 12 pixel, and the box shadow is, from the right is 0, from the bottom it's 4 pixel, and the blur effect is 8 pixel, and the color was black. So after in the hero section, we took the header, and we again used of element selector, and here is the text align property, and the value is center. It means it's align the text to the center. And here is the another property, margin bottom. It's mean, margin bottom, and the value is 30 pixel. It's mean it's give you the 30 pixel space to the bottom of the outside of the border. Okay. And the profile heading, here you can see the H1, and this was the here is the heading, main heading. This was the main heading, you can see. So the color was, I think, blue, and the font size is 30 pixel. Let's change the size of 50 pixel. What happened? Now it's becoming large. Okay, so it's become the large. And after that, text alignment center, and here is the nav bar. So in nav bar, I took give color property to the blue, padding padding top and right top to, it's all stop. The first value is for from top for top and bottom, and the second property 15 pixel is for right and left, and the border radius is 5 pixel, and color border, here is the border property, and the value is border is 2 pixel. It's mean how much it will wide, and the solid, it's mean the type of border, how what is the type of border, double border, solid, dash, dotted, and the color at the end, and font size is 16 pixel, and navbar hover effect. Whenever I took my cursor to the content of the anchor tag, it change has background color to blue and color white. So here we can see. that the background color is becoming blue and the text is white. So here is the example. And in H2, you can see this all are similar to this one. Okay, so nothing much difference. And the H3 is similar to the H2. And now this is the paragraph where the color is, I think, black color. So I think this, maybe this one is paragraph or this. So let's change the color, has changed the color to red. And she, where is the change? So this both are the paragraph from here. So let's change his color for, to the previous one, and the color was like slightly black. Okay, so the font size is 17 pixel and margin bottom 20 pixel, text align center, max width 800, and margin left auto, margin left auto. It's two time, it's a mistake. Let's remove this. And nothing much change. And in profile image, here you can see this is interesting, kind of interesting. So display, image display block, it's inline but it's give block, so it's becoming block. Margin left right auto, width 200 pixel, height 250, height and 250 width. For making it round, what happen if and the next is border radius is 15%, 50%. What happen if I comment it this? So it's looking how it's becoming a square. And so I hope you will understand what is the use of border radius 15%. It's make around to our border. Anything when we give to the border radius, it's curve the corner of the image or text or container. So this was, and the border, you can see here is the border. This blue line is the border of the picture. So the 5 pixel is how thick, and the type is solid, and the color is blue. What happen if I change this color to the this this one? So you can see its change has border color. And object fit cover, it's mean it cover the image. And here is the box shadow. So you can see a little effect on this. So what happen if I so here you can see the black effect is gone. But what happen if I comment, remove the comment? So you can see now it's again. So this is the box shadow effect, and the color was black, that why is becoming the black. What happen if I change his color black to yellow? So you can see a light yellow effect, kind of let's give more 8 pixel. So you can see now, you can see more effect is coming. Okay, so this is the work of box shadow. Okay, let's give to the 10 pixel and refresh. So you can see here the yellow effect. And here is the list style type, disk padding left and margin bottom. So this is the all, and this is for unordered list, and this is for order list. Type is lower alpha, that's why it's becoming in lower alpha. And this was the disk effect, that's why it's coming, they are coming in into the disk. And the margin bottom, and li, in li we give margin bottom to 10 pixel, padding left 5 pixel, color and font size. So mainly we use margin for the spacing. And for this one is no bullet type, we give style type none, that's why here is no bullet type. But what happen if we or what happen if we give this to the disk? So let's check it out. So now you can see the here you can, I think, which one was, I also get confused. Let's refresh the page. Oh, mm-hmm. Hmm. Okay, we give the style type none. So now we can see here soft skill is gone. Here is no bullet point, nothing, anything. So whenever we have to remove the bullet point or anything that was in list, so we have to give the list style type none. What happen if I remove the none? If I remove the none, the the bullet is still same, remain the same, because we don't give any value to the style type. And if we don't give any type of style, it uh, default value is in bullet point. Okay, that's why is becoming in bullet. So let's change to the none. So it's went. And after this all, I have to explain one more thing. Hmm. Okay, here is the nav nav a hover. It means anchor tag hover effect. So that was, I think, here you can see. So what happen if I change his background color to pink? So now it's changing his background color to the pink. So you can see the use of hover. So background color pink, text color white. What happen if I give the text color to the green? The color combination is worst. Let me, why it's not changing his color? Oh, because I don't give his, now it's changed his color definitely. So you can see the worst color combination I ever used. So this is, and this is the end of the page. That was the footer, in which you can see text lines entered, margin top 14 pixel. So you can see uh, here is the, what is this called, the paragraph heading and HR. So here is text align center and margin top 40 pixel. So you can see the margin top 14 pixel. What happen if I comment out it? So it's come closer to the this. Okay. So thank you for watching the video. Let's meet